Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add the Bitly extension. So I'm going to go over here to my Waffle, to the apps, and I'm going to click on Web Store. I can also just open up Google in a tab and search for this, but I'm going to come in here and I'm going to type in Bitly. And you'll see right here, here is the Bitly extension. So I'm going to click Add to Chrome. Now, when I click this, it's going to say it can blah, blah, blah. Yes, I want to add the extension. This is a very good extension that we can trust. So we're going to come back over here. And let's say I have this really long URL right here. I want to make a template of this Google slide thing so that my students can copy it and make their own. So I'm going to click on my Bitly extension right here. You will need to, you'll notice that I'm signed in to my Bitly account. You don't have to have a Bitly account, but I encourage you to get a free Bitly account. Just create one. I just use the free version because then, see right here where it says customize, I can come in here now and I can say, this is my get to know me template. Let's see if that's going to work. And then up here, I can even say this is the get to know me template slide. And then right there, it says Google Slides. And so if this Bitly was not available, it would say not available and it wouldn't let me save it. But since it's available, I'm going to click save. And so you'll notice, see my Bitly changes right there. So now I've got the get to know me template right here. So I can just click copy and then I can send this Bitly link to my students. So super easy and really helpful when you need to create shortened links to tell people or give people.